Hi everybody, welcome back to the Harvesting Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to improve your voice recognition accuracy after Bixby in this Samsung Smart Monitor. And first, scroll to the left where all your options are, and here scroll to settings. Go to all settings now and scroll down to the advanced features. Here scroll to voice and scroll down to the Bixby settings. Here, now, you do have here the option in the voice wake up settings, improve voice recognition accuracy. Click that. Here the marker you will make, the marker will be click start. Hi Bixby, turn off the TV in half an hour. You have to say the things that are on the screen right now. Hi Bixby, change to channel 5 and set the volume to 10. As you can see, I'm not talking that great, so it didn't catch me. Hi Bixby, change to channel 5 and set the volume to 10. As you can see, it didn't catch again. I can't read. Hi Bixby, change to channel 5 and set the volume to 10. Hi Bixby, change it to channel 5 and set the volume to 10. As you can see, now you can click down, and that's how to improve voice recognition accuracy. Hi Bixby. As you can see, here the settings doesn't work. Let's go to home. Hi Bixby. Bixby. Hey Bixby. As you can see, it doesn't work for me, I don't know why, but that's how to improve your accuracy. Goodbye!